Today we have a rev battle between the Yamaha R1 and the Suzuki Hayabusa. In the right corner is the Hayabusa with 1300 cc's. In the left corner is the Yamaha R1 with 1000 cc's. These bikes both have the same muffler setup Yoshimura RS3s. The Yamaha R1 only has one and the Hayabusa has two. This rev battle will have 3 rounds, starting with cold start and ending with Redline revs. Up first we have the Hayabusa cold start versus the R1 cold start. Next up is revs to 4000 RPM. The final round is rev bombing. Comment down below who won this rev battle. Was it the R1 or the Hayabusa?